Hey everyone, here's another property tour for you in the historic Adair Park neighborhood in Atlanta, minutes from downtown and the Beltline. This beautifully renovated home is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,046 square feet, and priced right at $539,900. The schools servicing this community are Gideon's Elementary School, Sylvan Hills Middle School, Early College High School at Carver. Please enjoy this property tour. Thank you so much for watching. If you're looking to relocate to the Atlanta metro area, give me a call or text me. I can't wait to become your lifetime realtor.